What's going on, guys? Let's wrap the Speed 3's roof today. Let's do it alone in a windy environment and by ourselves. I think I said alone and by ourselves, but anyway, let's do everything you should not do. Let's do it outside. Let's do it when it's windy. Let's do it alone. Let's just see if we can do it. I don't know that we can. Let's find out. Alright guys, so no idea how this is going to turn out, but I'm going to try to wrap this alone, okay? So I'm just in a covered area. I've taped the corners of this carbon wrap to try to kind of hold it down because it's a windy day. You know, I got this wrap for next to nothing, thought I'd play around with it. Yeah, really windy. I didn't remove any interior panels to get this antenna off. What I'm going to be doing is trimming around it. We'll see how that goes. If it doesn't work, like I said, I got this for next to nothing. I have 2 full rolls. So we'll do this one, see how it works. If it doesn't work really well, I'll get some friends over. We'll get it in an enclosed setting. We'll wash and clay bar the roof once more and then do it right. But I can't find a single video on YouTube where one dude does the whole top, and I know it can be done. Since I don't know what I'm doing and since I'm by myself, I thought I'd do that video. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna take this X1013 knife. I found the center, I punched a hole. What I am going to do is sort of enlarge that hole, kind of trim out the basic shape of that antenna. So that's literally all we're going to do to that. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to begin back here. Normally you would begin in the middle. I'm not going to do that. Once the wind decides to calm down a little bit, what I'm going to do, or at least attempt to do, roll this plastic out from under it. I'm going to just tap that down so that the adhesion on the vinyl is going to hold it to the car while I pull this back. Again, I've seen a video of anybody doing this because it's really a bad idea. But since it's a bad idea, and I'm full of bad ideas, I thought it was actually awesome for this channel. Let's pick up this vinyl. I'm going to try to center that hole a little bit better. To pull this back, not too much, about halfway, and I'm going to begin on this section. I'm squeegee. I'm going to have to just attack it in a different way than you would normally attack a vinyl hood or vinyl roof. I'm sure this is pretty cringe-worthy at the moment, as I'm sort of cringing right now. The wind is fighting me every step of the way, of course, so that's super fun. But the fact is, it seems to be doing fairly well. Much better than I'd expected, actually. You know, full disclosure, I kind of expected this to be a 100% failure. So the fact that it hasn't been 100% failure yet, I mean, that's pretty good. Hoping for the best. No creases. I'm going to have to pull that up. Let's see what happens. It is definitely advisable to do 2 people, and this is exactly why right here. Run into an issue, it's near impossible to fix said issue. I'm a little concerned that tape is going to come up and the wind is going to pull all this away. Yeah. I know a lot of you guys don't have access to a garage, and I know a lot of you guys don't have access to a lot of friends to help, or a lot of people to come over and help. So, and you're doing stuff by yourself, so what better way to do this than to show you, can it be done? Can it not be done? What are we thinking? So far, it can be done. Super not advisable. You're not able to glass anything, first of all. So you're kind of having to wing it and hope for the best as far as bubble-free areas. And you're going to have to make sure you have a really good amount of tape on the sides of the vinyl, because if you don't, it's going to go flying like mine did. And I had a lot of tape on it. This is going to be probably redone at some point, so I'm just kind of learning as I go. Really, without the wind, this wouldn't be too bad. The wind is definitely a good bit of the issue. Just trying to go as low tech as possible. I know it's cringeworthy. I'm cringing too, but just seeing if it can be done, guys. I don't know that it can. What's up, guys? So we're done just in time, because that field over there, see that field? Yeah, 2 tractors plowing that field, so dust has come up. Got super lucky we were able to get done with that. So my battery's almost dead, I'm exhausted, but we have a roof. Check this out, guys. Turned out really nicely. I am incredibly happy with it. The parts I was worried about, like the antenna in these trim sides, as well as the very front, turned out great. This right here, I'm leaving it in the sun for a little bit because I've got a little spot right there, and a little spot right here. I'm just kind of letting it heat up. Super, super happy. Yeah, can't say enough about how awesome I am. Kidding. Can't say enough about how lucky I am. I did not expect that to turn out near as well as it did. What do you think? Letting the sun heat it. Yes, you can do it by yourself. Yes, you can do it when it's windy outside. What I would suggest, if it's windy, do it in a garage, and you can do it by yourself, no big deal. If it's windy and you don't do it in a garage, definitely do it with two people. The other thing, I did it earlier today, and the vinyl was very not very palatable, pliable, I mean, so it was hard to pull. This afternoon with the sun made it much more pliable, so I was able to go in and get out all the little imperfections very easily. So do it on warm days too, guys. You can do it yourself, wouldn't recommend it. Find a friend, find a garage, but there's your video. You can do it yourself. You look like an idiot. Things don't go very well, but yeah, you can do it. Tell me what you think about this. Hopefully you approve. If you don't, that's okay. I like it. Thumbs up on it. Never ever ever wrapping anything by myself again. But it's done. Like I said, gonna let this heat up a little bit and go at it, maybe with a heat gun. But other than that, we're done. All done. See you on the next one.